chain.
No, noob. This is the block train. Speeding forever through the loveless, icy world created by Crypto Bros. Powered by the most abundant fuel in the universe. FOMO, the fear of missing out.
Please kill Ralph House. The front of the train. I made it. Bart, we're getting out of here.
Whoa, Mom, what's the rush? Grab yourself a jaded ape and take a load off. You never liked my friends.
Mom's almost got Bart out.
Don't let your son become a worthless human again. Sell him to me for $100 million.